Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add Gmail in Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app and tap on profile icon and click on three-line option. Okay, scroll down and click on add account. Okay, tap on account center and tap on personal details. Click on contact info and tap on add a new contact and click on add email. Then to add email in Instagram. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.